Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is talk to you about the very impressive new update that they've introduced into the Adobe world, i.e. Photoshop Beta. So what they've done now is they've introduced artificial intelligence, and what I've been trying to teach to my students is instead of shying away from this new development, I would say meet it head on because it's the future. It's only going to get better. And I feel like it's going to make our lives as designers a lot easier. What I want to do today is just show you how you can use it. And then what I would like you to do is to take the information that I show you today and create some really cool looking designs. Okay, so what I've got here is this image of this, this lady walking on the beach. But what I would like to do is I'd like to increase the environment of this particular image. So I'm going to use the crop tool and I'm just going to create some space here and I'm going to create some space here also as well. Now with the rectangular marquee tool, I'm going to make a selection. I'm going to come here, make a selection like so. And because I want to add to that selection, I'm going to press Shift and add there like so. Now what you'll see is you get this new taskbar here and you can see that you've got generative fill. So at the moment, I'm not going to give it any type of prompts. I'm just going to come through here and just press generate. And what will happen now is artificial intelligence will make decisions and work out the spaces that I would like for it to be filled. Also, the benefit of using this is they give you variations for you to go through and choose the best result. Any second now, you can see that is the result there. Now, what you do on the taskbar is you have this option of going through the options like so. So I would say probably the second one there is my favorite. Now let's start to add some elements into this particular image. So what I'm going to do is use the lasso tool here. And let's just come here and say something like so. And then that taskbar will pop open. I'm going to give it a prompt of big boat in the distance. And we're going to say generate. And what's also impressive about this is they work out the perspective. So obviously this boat will be in the distance, so it's going to be a little bit blurry. And all the AI software really works out for you, gives some really cool end results. Quite like that one there. Let's go through the different variations. Okay, I'm going to save this one here. Like so, I'm pretty happy with that there. Now what I'm going to do is come through, let's say, let's create a selection like so. And I'm going to put a prompt in of island. Make sure you spell it correctly, obviously. With lighthouse in the distance. Again, let's press generate. And let's see the results that come up. And like I said, guys, it's going to make our lives easier as designers. So really get to know this new software because it's going to be the future and it's only going to get better and improve. So make sure that you know it. Okay, so that's not a bad result there. Let's go for the variations. Not great. Not great. Say this one here like so. Pretty happy with that, to be fair. Now what we'll do is we'll come through and let's say we create a selection like so. Like that, and we'll give it a prompt of generative fill, and we'll say huge volcano in the distance, and we're going to say generate. Just wait for the variation to come through, and you'll notice as well, guys, they add a generative layer, so it's all editable and changeable for you if you need to do that. It's non-destructive, as you can see, the layer mask, so you can remove and delete if you're not happy with the end result. I'm pretty happy with that, to be fair. Let's have a look at the variations. That one's not great. Probably say the first one there, to be fair. Yeah, say the first one. Okay, let's come through here and I'll do like a little selection like so. And we're going to say palm tree. Now, hopefully what it will do is it will recognize that this is in the foreground here. So it should be a bit more crisper for us than the boat or the volcano in the distance. Let's have a look here now. Let's have a look. Not bad. Probably say that one there, to be fair. I'm pretty happy with. Yeah, let's say the second one there, like so. What I want to do is come through. Let's put a little starfish in the sea here. So I'm just going to make a little selection like so. And let's say starfish in the sand. And what will happen is it will create shadows. It will work out the direction of the light. In this particular instance, is coming from the left-hand side. And it will make it all look realistic for us and give us really good results. That's not too bad. Pretty happy with that one there, to be fair. Let's set that one there myself. Nice. And let's add a little hat onto this lady. So just come through. Let's create a selection like so. And we're going to say hat on lady. And bear in mind, guys, that the original image that we started off with, and look at the end result. Really impressive. Really, really impressive. So really get into it and start to add it into your workflow because, as you can see, the results are quite impressive. Quite like that one there, to be fair. Let's say something like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you use the AI Photoshop beta in the new Adobe update and enjoy and create some really cool stuff. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website, blueskygraphics.co.uk. We offer courses within graphic design, advanced graphic design, motion graphics, web design, and we're really waiting to receive your call. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.